In this video, I'm going to share with you how we are going to connect with Viber in Message2u. Here at Infographic, first, we go to Message2u Login, and then log into Viber. After we get the API key, then we can connect. After log into Message2u website, click on Channels, and then move down in the channel's location. Maybe you will see some space here. We just have to keep finding Viber and that's it. Then click Connect. Next, there are some instructions here. First of all, you need to go to the Viber partner website and create a bot. Get the API key and put it inside the bot token and you're done. Now, let's click on this Viber partner link. Once we get to the website, let's make sure of one thing. You must have a Viber account to log in. If you haven't registered yet, please go to viber.com and register first, and then come back here. Next, we just need to enter our phone number, and then click Login. The system will send an SMS to your phone. Just enter the 6 numbers you have received. Enter here and you're ready to go. For example, this is the number I have received. Once you are done, press Next. After you enter the Viber backend system, click on this plus position, and you can put your brand logo in it. For example, now I put Message2u logo in it. If the photo size is okay, we just need to scroll down to continue entering information in it. For example, Message2u. After we get the API key, then put the API key into the grid, and then press Continue. Finally, you can see that Viber chatbot has appeared in Message2u's system. So we'll see you in the next video.